Job well done. That's a lot slicked off. Trees down, slicked off. And trees rode in over here. Get Jacob to come out and cut them up and burn them. Be in good shape.